was doing, it was just been a bitch. But here we go. Octopus time! Cover! Bringing us back to our youth. Here we go. Yeah! Way! You got it.
Oh yeah, baby. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Here we go.
That was a fantastic whip we had then.
That was a good one, wasn't it? Hey!
Lean left, you get going.
So the kill.
He's got it.
Here we go. Here we go.
How to ride one properly. Lean to the left. Way!
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh. Left.
Bloody hell. To the spin to the left. Lean to the left. Way! That's how you do it.
Keep it going to the left. Keep it going to the left. Come on. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Oh, come on. Go.
We're bloody good and proper, didn't we? Amazing spin.
Yeah, we're doing all right here. Considering it ain't running the old. Whoa!
Proper. Oh man, is it good to be back on one of these again? Woo!
They need to make a comeback.
Awesome. Friggin' awesome, eh, Si?
Oh man.
Yes, that's the old youth. Used to ride these a lot when I was a kid. One of these top of ride.
Oh, bloody missed it.
Brilliant. Brilliant. May not be the fastest ride I've ever had, but fly, it was good.
That was awesome. I enjoyed that.
I enjoyed that myself. I'll repeat ride that again in Basingstoke.
No, I wish there was more still about.
Yeah, I do.
They're not that hard to build either, are they? These, really? They're all on one
You
truck.
see down the bottom there, you can see. When I was young, on my own, up the top, I'd be swinging it left and right. And I used to get it right way round. But now I'm a bit older and heavier, I show now, and I got this lump next to me as well.
I'm surprised that it's actually the arm's staying up, to be honest. It's not collapsed. With your weight in it.
What of your weight, Si?
My weight? That's what he's doing. Look, that lad's doing it.
Yeah.
This side.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Look at that. He knows what he's doing.
Do with the loading.
Yeah, slow loading machines, weren't they? Right, we're signing off now. See you later.
A bit like the upright paratroopers.
Top one, nice one, get sorted.